Strike up the band, it's time to cut the ribbon. The renovations at Battery Creek High School are complete, and educators and students are excited to show off all the new changes.
It has been great to come back this school year and have the building ready for students and staff to enjoy our new learning spaces. Being able to run the school without moving around construction has been a blessing.
It's just so incredible to have such a beautiful space that everybody gets to use and enjoy. And I think that it's really going to start our year off on the right foot, and I'm just so excited to make the 50th year at Creek the best one yet.
The school went through major renovations, updating classrooms, the JROTC area, art facilities, and more.
So the cafeteria, of course, was a big thing. Teenagers love to eat, and so their space is beautiful. It's spacious, it's brand new, it's very modern. They feel like it's special. It rivals some of the best college cafeterias. Of course, our CTE programs have been totally renovated and expanded. Our science labs are state-of-the-art. Our weight training facility is just second to none. And our ROTC suite, as well as every classroom, getting a complete upgrade, which has been great for student comfort and being able to focus on learning.
The students are really enjoying using the updated spaces.
I'm excited about the new auditorium that we have right here now. I'm excited to see that we have our new weightlifting room and the new mural that we have, the paintings of all the fabulous students that we have, all the good athletes on there. And I'm also excited to see that we also have new hallways, nice lights, clean bathrooms, nice bathrooms. Everything's brand new.
The school also cut a second ribbon, celebrating all the improvements that have been made to several athletic areas. The projects included upgrades to the tennis courts, football, baseball, and softball fields, a new field house, and more.
When you look around, it's great to, have something that is inviting not only to our student athletes that are currently here, but also those that are coming up at our feeder schools. Encourage them that, hey, this is something to look forward to. So all our head coaches and our coaches and community is very excited about the improvements that we have here on campus.
The renovation project was made possible by the 2019 school board referendum. At Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.